In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download Google Play Store apps on iPhone. Now, the first thing is to get the Play Store application installed on your iPhone. Simply head to Safari. In the search bar, write in Play Market. You will then click onto this very first website. Here, tap onto this share icon. You will then navigate to this option of Add to Home Screen. Now you can rename this as Google Play Store or Play Store. And once everything is set, tap on Done to get Play Store app on your home screen. Now instead of navigating through the Safari browser, you just need to open up the application. Now to download any app, you can either scroll through suggested ones or simply head to the search bar and search for any specific application. You just want to tap on Install and the application will start downloading. Well, that's how easy it is to download Google Play Store apps on iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.